Let's talk parts of the sewing machine. This is your needle. It moves up and down and lines up with the presser foot. Those funny things that look like skis. The presser foot works with the feed dogs, those little zigzags, to move the fabric through the machine. So the machine actually does the work for you. All you have to do is guide the fabric. Sit yourself down, feet on the floor, and line up your nose to your needle. Put your hands on either side, matchy-matchy. To put your presser foot down, use the presser foot lever, or sometimes there's a button instead of a lever. The needle moves up and down two ways, a foot pedal, which we'll see in a minute, and a hand crank. You always want to turn the hand crank towards yourself, because if you turn it the other way, you'll get thread monsters. When you move your needle up or down, the bunny hops up and down. When the bunny is up, the needle is up. When the bunny is down, the needle is down. This is the knot button. Its real name is backstitch, but I like to call it the knot button. The foot pedal is just like the pedal on a car. The harder you press, the faster you'll go. And like a car, you don't want to go too fast. And those are all the parts you need to know to get sewing.